Welcome to 1086 Post number 201. This is a Lower Nob Hill studio apartment available for lease. It's rent control and all the utilities are included. New wood floors. It's nighttime, but it looks over Post Street, corner of Post and Polk. The kitchen's been updated with a nice tile floor, good sized refrigerator, gas stove, granite counters over the sink, and some maple cabinets. There's a walk-in closet or dressing room here with shelves, lots of storage that opens up to the retro bath with a clawfoot tub, subway tile floor. Retro means original. And behind this door, there is a second very long walk-in closet. If you're interested in leasing, 1086 Post number 201, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Have a great day.